Hilo.
Looking
Ano?
Looking yung collar.
Get the banner.
Make me
Sa
full
backline.
engage.
Kaya pala ang tigas pa
Oh,
rin ng
charge.
hit eh. Defensive squad.
Looking now.
Shaper
Guys,
charging
ready on
the
the 5, 4, 3, 2, Spread.
Everything careful.
Nice.
Ay, aray.
Good. There's still one more shipper.
No,
Fucking try to kidnap the dunks. Try to kidnap the guys on top of it. Bro, focus on kidnapping. Focus kidnapping. Come southwest.
Shaper.
The third.
Can you guys do?
Dami.
Parang anda.
They're going out.
Looking
Care.
Engage.
Hello, defensive.
Yeah,
Defensive.
Yeah. Just
Meron
fine,
pa,
just
May
fine.
demon pa.
Yeah, that's fine. Ready guys, shallow on the ditang sa top of me. Bro, on the ditang sa top.
Shaper.
Defensive.
Guys, on top of us, itong breaking. On top of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, just on
Ready
top
for
of us.
headshot,
Just on top of us. Kill it, please.
Nice.
Thank you.
Shaper.
Bad.
Oh, shit.
Why did you loot?
What's guys?
Daming shaper.
Looking collar. Ready.
Na-knock up tapos may shaper.
Na-knock up.
May knock up na shaper.
May ano
Blood spread mo na.
Yung soul
Come
side
southwest,
yung
come
tingnan nyo, boy. Soul
southwest.
side yung tingnan nyo. Naka-diamond.
Ha?
Yo, care.
Engage. May isa, another engage pa may
May
another engage coming in.
Guys, shallow on these ditangs. Yeah, shallow these ditangs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just shallow me.
Ready demon na.
They're engaging.
Back.
Oh,
They're
no.
Looking.
No man.
looking now.
Demon.
They're looking.
They're
coming up.
Spread.
Wala.
Spread. Let them go out. Lamang tayo.
Demon.
Ready guys. Ready. Guys, hold them now. Fake now. Alex, fake northeast. Yeah.
Shaper,
Ready
shaper,
after the
shaper,
shaper.
shaper.
Northeast now.
Shaper.
5, 4,
Shaper now.
3, 2, 1. Nourish me.
Shaper again.
Go south.
Shaper again.
Need more endings, bro.
Go south.
Many shapers.
Dami ng shaper.
May engage yung enemy.
Wala tayong bomb. Isa lang engage natin. Wala tayong engage.
Looking collar.
Spread. Come south.
Engage.
No.
Fake.
Come south.
No one use demon, right?
Guardians on Alex. Come south.
Ready guard.
Here, next might be real.
Yes, shallow. Ready? Hold.
They're looking for headbutt. They're looking for headbutt.
Yes.
What?
Looking
May
now.
shaper sa south side natin.
Looking how.
Guys.
Yo, care.
Ready? Punta po ba si 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Meron pa engage.
Keeper, careful Keeper, ready.
Come south.
Defensive sa akin. Defensive ako.
Shaper.
Utang ina, tatlong ihi ang puta. Hindi ako
May
makapalo sa
shaper dito kung naka-dismount.
Dismounted na yung jug nila. Hindi ka ma-dismount yung chariot boy. Nasa loob eh.
Can you guys trigger faster, please?
May possible engage yung main collar.
Can you guys trigger faster?
Heal keep po, please.
I think we need to play this open world. Sabihin ko open world. Wala tayong engage.
Need to
Engage
bump.
over the wall.
Care.
Engage over the wall.
Fine. Guys, follow on me in 3, 2, 1. Just shallow. Shallow na again.
Shaper.
Shaper.
Gagawin.
Shaper.
8-3 shaper pala.
Consatos.
Dismounted chariot nila boy.
Sige.
Shaper
We're
again.
gonna engage one more time in the
Oh,
game.
another
Ang
shaper.
hirap, ang
Puta
dami
na.
ng engagement. Ready? Hold.
Looking yung collar.
Like, okay.
2 seconds.
Pick on the, pick on Shilolo. This one. Kabang.
They use locus
Looking hot siya.
Pull him in. Come southwest more. Guys. Come southwest. Come southwest. Walk southwest. Come southwest. Asan na yung riggers ko guys? Ang tagal niya naman. 3 minutes na.
One zone away.
Okay na.
Looking
Come southwest more. Bring them out.
Nawala
Pull
na
them out. Pull them out.
Oh
Guys,
no,
come southwest.
one more demon na.
May demon pa ako.
Walk with me southeast.
Ready din ako.
Walk with me southeast. Hold them now. Northwest now.
Nasa southeast side
4,
ako.
3, 2, 1. Northwest on me.
Looking for headbutt.
Spread now.
Nagbabuff.
Spread. Go southwest.
Kaya na-debuff ko.
Nice.
Guys, ready.
One more shaper.
Ready? East. Ready. Northeast, guys. Northeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, Northeast me. Everything is northeast. Come back. Everyone, come back. Come back.
Need
Ano
ka
yan?
mag-remount,
Rush?
need ka mag-remount, need ka mag-remount.
Okay nga, okay nga, okay nga.
Yeah, come southwest. Kite. Just kite.
Pick.
You're good. Defensive
Di
front.
mo.
Ready, east. Hold them now. Can you guys hold? We play shallow, guys. Yeah. Just hold here. On top of me. Hold. On top of me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow me. Kill this guys. Nice. Spread more. Spread southwest. Come southwest more. Come southwest more. Guys, you don't need to spread northwest. Okay, come southwest. Just play here. We can really siege it. There's too many engages. Come southeast.
Gusto mo ba bumalik ako, Kip? Kailangan ba natin ng isa pang engage talaga?
Oh, kailangan ko ng isa pang...
Nakatingin ako sa southeast.
Can you kill this rat? Ito, na-hold
You guys can northwest.
Di yan ang gamit mo, Di?
Nice.
One hand mace.
Nang papatay kasi.
Gusto mo ba, pagpalitin ko si Jay?
Ano ba gamit niya ngayon?
One hand base.
May defensive pa ba ako? Pwede naman.
Sige, tara Jay. Uwi tayo.
Kasi balik mo na ako.
Looking
Kailangan
hot
talaga.
siya.
Hindi ako makapukpok pre. Iniihian tayo ng tatlo.
Okay.
Engage sila tapos tatlo.
Tara, southeast tayo, Jay.
Kahit lang may bomba dito sa ano.
Teka lang. Teka lang, Kip. May
Nagamit ko
bomba
pala yung
kasi.
ano ko. Shaper.
Ay,
yung ano ko.
Pakipatay nga yung mga rats sa northwest.
Sa west side, nasa northwest side.
Okay, come southwest.
Saan?
Nasa northwest na ako, mag-arbak ako sa northwest.
Guys, ready?
Mag-southeast ako. Dito ako mag-garbak.
Can you fake now? Alex?
Sino mag-EA?
Gusto mo ikaw na?
Guys, ready?
Looking.
Guys,
Possible
heal
headbutt ah.
heal on the
Possible
gate.
headbutt.
Hold. Heal in the gate now. On the gate. Defense.
1 minute.
5, 4, 3,
Defense.
everything in gate. Go back. Go back. Just go back.
Paper again.
Just go back.
Baba na tayo, Jay. Ilian, kayo na bahala sa ditang sa?
I'm just gonna be
Ah,
on paper. I'm just gonna
Sanity, kayo na bahala sa ditang.
Yeah, this one.
I'll into this.
Hold.
User left your
10
channel.
seconds,
Solid.
engage yung kalaban.
Just chill. If they're down, if some down, stay out. We just hit them. That's fine. We can do the gate. Kaya ba po po?
70% pa. Ay, 50-50.
That's fine.
Looking, Hodge.
Kill front. Guys.
May
Fake now.
help demon na help.
Don't fake.
Wala lumalabas sa kanila.
Help frontline.
Just shallow. Ano ditang guys? Up front in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Paking up, shaper.
Come southwest. Sige, takbo lang kayo. Run.
Ready demon na.
Keep fighting.
Going out.
Demon.
Get heals.
Nice, good demon.
Yes, now you hold them. Everyone, hold
Sanity,
them.
pinasok yung party
Everyone,
sa'yo.
hold them. Ready, on the gate. Northeast, guys. Northeast now. Bro, northeast. Shallow, on top of us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, everything on me. Damage me.
Nice one.
Come southwest. We still have shaper.
Red.
Glacial, Kurt.
Kailangan ko talaga ng bombs ko. Dami nilang engage, boss. Yes, hold. Yeah, they have engage now. Kill and cleanse front, please.
Tagal mag-heal.
You guys have cooldowns? Ready? Shallow on me.
Ready.
Hold.
Possible
Shallow me.
headbutt
Quick engage, ha? Yeah. Shallow me. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Shallow me. This is guy.
Looking.
Go back. Heal front.
Lumabas yung shaper.
Can you guys hold that guy. Nice.
Patay shaper.
He's dead. Cooldowns.
Dalawa pa.
9.
Okay, ready.
3.
wait lang.
Okay, ready. Just chill. Fake now? Can you fake now?
Wala.
On the gate, guys. Ready? On the gate, ha? Ready defensive sa atin, guy. After this. Yeah. That's fine.
I can fake.
No, don't fake.
Wait nga lang.
This na to. And hold.
Sa panging
Hold.
the wall.
Guard on sa front, please.
Looking.
Demon.
Yeah. That's fine. Just focus on giving guard on some gates.
Stacking shaper.
Shaper now. Nice cleanse. Guys, ready? Wala, may shaper pa ba?
Shaper.
Yan,
May isa pa.
Guys, walk up on the gate, bros.
Nadibab ko.
Everything on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, everything on the gate. Gate. Go back. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
You're gonna come out,
Guys, spread more, spread more, spread more, spread more, spread more, spread more, spread more. Basag yung ano, basag yung ano. Ay, hindi siya makapasok, pre. Defensive, 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 defensive.
Oh, no.
Guys, yun. Guys, come Satos, come Satos, come Satos, come Satos. Come Satos, come Satos.
Wait nga lang.
Sana kayo.
Topple down.
Shaper.
That's fun, that's fun. Ready? On the sword mark, ah. Everything on the sword mark. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, sword mark, ah. Guys, on top of me. Damage. Kill him.
Engaging,
Go back.
careful.
Everyone go back. Guys, GG tayo. Sige, GG tayo. GG lang tayo.
Nalibag ko, Shaper.
Yeah, nag-GG lang tayo. That's fine. Wala tayong second delay.
Play siya lang.
Niligtas nila tayo actually.
Bakit
Just focus.
mag-represent
Ha?
na naman? Yung gate,
Ano yun?
Give
Yung
us like
bro.
ano, sa 3 minutes mga
Care.
Sige. Kill fan. Ready guys. On the game in 5, 4, 3, 2,
Defensive ako.
1. Everything you get. Gate. Go back. Go back.
Almost broken na, almost broken.
Malayo pa. Just give me heals fan.
Guard road,
Ano, A3 pala to.
We're
about to,
We're gonna break the
Or
gate soon.
tutubo mo ah.
That's fine. Hindi pa naman tayo makapasok.
Shaper.
Yeah, that's fine. Let's go back. May engage pa. Alex, may engage pa.
Yeah.
Guys, protect Alex. Guys, guard one.
Nice.
Ready, on the gate. Hold. Guys, on the gate.
Broken.
Yeah, on the gate now. In 5, 4,
I know.
3,
Glacial,
2, 1.
glacial.
Everything gate. Go back. Go back. If you're
Stacking shapers.
Come southwest. Sige, kite. That's good. Kite.
Let's GA.
Now, focus guards.
Ready
Please
demon
not sa
na.
front. Please not sa me. Kill guys. Kill it.
Pepper over the wall.
Guys, ready? Hold. Can you guys focus on the guards?
I can hold
Evan?
people.
Yeah. Ananan?
I can take.
I can hold them.
No.
Sit down.
Kailangan natin i-bonk yung walls if you guys wanna go in.
Ano gusto mo na?
Pahil lang ako, pahil. Dito ako sa loob.
Okay, kill
Can you guys focus on guard?
Looking over the wall, careful.
DPS. Guard runs on me, please. Guard runs on me. Guys, hold.
They just engaged by the way.
Stacking shapers outside.
Yeah.
Can malo.
Nice GA.
Kalma.
Okay, kinikill ko siya.
Shaper.
Dodge.
Ready, northeast.
Ready headbutt ha.
4, 3, 2, north me. Ito, yung shaper. Go back.
Looking.
Go back.
Defensive.
Defense. Defend. Just walk back.
Okay lang.
Good defensive boys.
Pakilang guards.
Pakipatay yung guards. Asan yung guards? Ito, may guards pa dito. Can you guys kill all the guards? Ito pa may guards dito. Guys. Looking na.
Defensive front. Kill on front.
Defensive.
East glacial lang.
Spread. Ano, para tayo nagli-limit test dito.
Paper stacking.
Yeah.
Wait,
Come
boy,
sa
malapit na
Satos.
kami one to.
Sige lang.
Shaper.
Sorry, game pads.
Defensive.
Boys.
Nadibag ko.
Good defensive
Nice.
boys. And girls.
Kasi namin.
This one.
Ay, isa pati yung healer.
Guys, can you
Oh
hear me?
no.
Healer, di ba?
Rigger boys.
Yeah. Shallow
Feel bad.
or wala. Ready?
Ako na
Just hold. Can you guys heal me?
May demon pa tayo.
Guys, game pads. No.
Shaper.
Ay, gago ka. Come Satos. Jen, nakalis na yung portal.
Oo.
Gago, wala akong gift pads. Putang ina.
Trade mo ako po.
Sino?
Si Muji daw.
Malapit na ako.
Intingin na.
Sino ang pwede kayo trade?
Intingin sila.
Sino ang Satos? Sino ang ita-trade? Guys, trade.
Muji Kabo.
Wait lang.
Muji Kabo.
Okay, kayo ang gift pads. Sige. Putik, ang dami ah. Sige, gamitin ko. Ready. Guys. Hold.
Careful
Wala
north
ako
east
ng
over the
stock
wall.
ng ano.
That's fine.
North side yung shaper.
Yeah. Pagka-break na to. Just chill. Spread more. Yeah, spread more.
Hag na naman ako.
Spread more.
Wala tayong defensive ah.
Yeah, come southeast more. Guys, come southeast more. Come southeast more. We need to break.
Microphone activated.
Guys,
Just
still
break
heal
all
me
this.
inside hello. Ang hirap naman mag-stay.
Spread more guys. Kaya ko yung puti na shaper din. Just focus on breaking these walls. Come southeast side more. Guys, come southeast side more. Play southeast side more. Southeast of me, relative to me. Southeast of me. Play this side, play this side, play this side.
Dito na kami, Kip.
Okay. Sige lang.
Nagbabantay yung shooters inyo dyan, ah.
After this, we're gonna engage shallow and then go back, okay? Be ready.
Can man ditang watch yung southeast side. May
Look,
I'm watching.
Pick lang, pick.
Pick.
Okay. Just chill, just chill.
Full engage siya. Careful.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Guys, ready, northeast. Bro. Hold.
Shaper.
Shaper.
Shipper.
Oh, pala
Hold
ni.
them.
Yeah, hold them now.
Tingin.
Yeah, just play shallow. Ready? Northeast now, bro. Walk. Northeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, northeast.
Ready, Demon, ah.
So big. Come southwest. Heal fan.
Demon.
Come southwest.
Back ko na. Tapa ko na.
Yeah. Come southwest.
Pinamatay.
One shot.
One shot. Come southeast.
Careful, Shaper, hand. Look.
Yeah. Just kite.
Next stop.
Just kite. Give them space. Come southwest. We lost two. This time. Hindi ako pwede mag-dip. I need to keep hitting their D-tanks. Okay?
Oh, hindi na mag-dip.
I can fake.
You just play shallow. Yeah. Yes, hold. Spread southwest.
Shaper.
Shaper.
Ready? Bro. Hold. I'm just gonna shallow and then you guys kite. Okay?
Another
Look,
shaper
kaya
coming in.
may
Another
engage na siya,
shaper
may
coming in.
engage na. Right guys, east now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, is on me. Go back. Go back. Kite.
Defensive.
They still have engage.
Okay.
Just walk back.
Shaper.
Just walk back. Heal fan.
Nice.
Guys, walk back. Ang hirap. Come southwest. Very good fast. Ano need? Bomb squad. Probably.
Def tank sa southeast.
D-tanks. Come southeast. Come southeast. Pre, ang daming dumudura. Kulang tayo ng engage para sa amin. Can you guys kill these shaders? Come southeast.
They're inching out.
Yeah. Just keep walking southeast.
Magiging Sino to?
Keep walking southeast. Come southeast.
AFK ba to?
Guys, can you guys walk
Local.
southeast? Hello?
Defensive front.
Guys, ready, northwest. Northwest now, counter. Northwest now.
Help kami,
Deep.
help kami sa front.
Yeah. Northwest now. Deep. 100%. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest on me. Go back. Can you guys walk southeast? Layo muna tayo dito sa tayo. Guys, I'm kiting southeast. Please. Come southwest. Follow me. We can fight this. Right. Chill front. Guys, can you guys follow me first? Come southwest. Ang hirap pa, ang daming dumudura. Hindi natin kaya. Just chill, come southwest. I'm asking them if they wanna fight open. Okay, come southwest. Come southwest, guys. We're gonna fight open. We trigger first. Come southwest. Guys, lakad lang. Sige, huwag kayo mag-hesitate. Lakad lang.